Resident recruitment and selection. What attributes are associated with recruiting and selecting highly effective residents?
I would say one of the main competencies that we're looking for in candidates for the Bachelor Teacher Residency is a growth mindset. So by that I mean someone who is willing to hear feedback in a way that they're continuing to grow and be able to apply things in the classroom. It's a lot. When you're going through a residency year, you're spending a lot of time where you're learning from a mentor teacher and where you're being asked to do something and then reflect on that and then refine it and then go through that cycle again and again. So the importance of having a growth mindset is pretty crucial, and that's one of the main competencies that we're looking for in our candidates.
Passion, love for kids, gotta love kids. Flexibility, a thirst to learn more, sort of that curiosity piece. Reflective thinking, that's a huge one. You know, people who, as a teacher, you have to really know yourself. And we spend a lot of time on teacher identity.
Because of their clinical preparation, mentoring, and stipends, teacher residency programs recruit people into the teaching profession who might not otherwise have considered education as a career. This means that residents come to their programs with diverse backgrounds and experiences.
There is a very strong initiative that they have to get up and to do whatever is needed to become a great teacher. I see that, every Dallas teacher resident candidate that I've seen, they have that. You got to have a lot of grit. You got to have a lot of passion, and that's what I see with these candidates is that's what they have. They have passion, and they have that. It's kind of like that intrinsic motivation.